Hi guys, so my husband did the grocery shopping. He just got it delivered by Postmates, and let's see what he picked up. I had no clue he was going to get these items, and yeah, let's see. I'm scared. Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today I want to share with you this grocery haul that my husband ordered, and Postmates did the delivery from Walmart, and it looks like I pulled everything out, stuff that he normally goes to if he's trying to cut, well, let me scratch that, stuff he wanted, stuff he likes to eat, or stuff he thinks that is good for meal plan. So let me share with you what he purchase, but also down in the description box I'll make sure I'll put a free printable that you can download a grocery meal plan. I have two different templates that you can do, and I'm thinking about brainstorming about something that I want to do specifically just for the grocery aspect on my channel. So if you're new, welcome. And on my channel I do like cooking and grocery hauls, and talk about groceries, and and show what we have for dinner. I also do decor, home decor, show how I do stuff on a budget, and it could be like a party, it could be home entertaining, and just love to do DIY projects and celebrations for my family on a budget. So yeah, I'm really thinking about something I want to do with you guys. I want to incorporate it also. Yeah, I'll just let you know what it will be. And yeah, so make sure you download that template for your grocery meal plan. At the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I am eating for WW, because a lot of this stuff I can't eat, but it'll take a lot of my points. And yeah, so I'm grateful for him grocery shopping. I just finished a blogging retreat, and it was at home, it was virtual, but it did take a lot of my time, and he wanted to help me out. But yeah, so let me show you. Okay guys, so I don't know what the total is. I will get it from him and I will caption it below. So he got these ramen noodles. I don't eat ramen noodles. I may like take one off of Josiah's plate when I fix it for him, but I don't eat ramen noodles because of the sodium mainly, and I have high blood pressure, so I don't eat them. I stay away from them, and it's carbs and stuff like that. So Jason and the kids will eat them. I don't know if Jason eats it a whole lot, but he takes it. It's really portable to take it to work, and he tries not to take stuff that's really heavy because they can't fall asleep. They'll lose their job if they fall asleep, so they can't fall asleep at the job. And so anyway, he also got this. So he got, well, he got the beef flavor. I don't know why. This must have been a substitution, so he must have maybe ordered the big thing of this, and this is the chicken, and they didn't have it, so that might be why he has them individually. I don't know. And then he got some of the romaine salad premium. So okay, so this is romaine salad. Okay, so he got 2 bags of that, and then he got 2 bags of the classic iceberg salad. And I will eat it, but it's best for me to have the mixed salad, which I have in the refrigerator, and I'll show you guys what I normally have. But I will eat romaine salad. It's just easier for me to digest and it's better for you than the iceberg lettuce. Also, but I notice like kids and stuff, they love the iceberg lettuce, but anyway, my kids like all of it. The Caesar salad, I got this. No, he got it. The 2 bags of this. Both of us, we love Caesar salad, so this is the salad kit. He got some fruit variety pack. He got 2 of these, and in this you get fruit punch, the sugar free. He got this cherry grape and orange early rise. So 2 boxes of these. He got some grape. This is usually the big packet, so you can put it like in a pitcher. He got cherry. He got fruit punch. He got some energy drinks. Usually he gets the 5-hour, but he probably got this to save money, or maybe that's all they had. Sorry if you hear Josiah's having a meltdown and he's about to get that game taken from him. He got some Chunky Campbell soup. He got the sirloin burger with country vegetables, and he got some Progresso. beef pot roast and country vegetables. So he might have got this to replace my stuff he got into yesterday. Really, it's anybody's, but I have several Progresso soups for my WW. He got some cheese. Let's see what kind he got. An American pesto. Okay, he got that cheese, y'all. Sorry, I'm busy looking at it instead of holding the camera right. He got some of these memo books. He's always writing down like ideas and stuff that he needs to remember. And he's been using these things forever. So he ordered some of these. He also puts like his workout plans in here if he's going like to the gym. And probably like what he's going to eat and stuff like that. He got one of these composition books. And these are the little ones. He got two things of this 7327, which I try not to get. I try to get the 80-20 at least because it has more flavor than the 90-10. And the 73, if you don't know, the 73 is like how lean it is. The 27 is the fat. And usually when it's more, the lean is lower, the number, it shrinks up a lot and it's greasy. So anyway, he got that, and he probably got that for the hamburger helper. He's been eating these pizzas. Let's see what's over here. The thin cheese pizza. He got the pepperoni, and these are 78 cents. So I got these the other day for him to take to work, and he also got the combination. So he said they taste pretty good, because I was like, Jason, you don't even know what they taste like, but he said they taste pretty good. So yeah, he probably don't care. He usually ends up eating, I think, 3 in a night. So, in a 12-hour shift. So, or in a day, whatever. Okay, he also got some of these cinnamon graham crackers. I don't know if he got them for Sasa and him or whoever. But, yeah. I just texted him and told him that they must have substituted the duplex chocolate and vanilla cookies. And he don't like these at all. So probably put these inside his lunch. He just wants the vanilla. Jason doesn't like chocolate. The hamburger helper, the cheesy taco. He got the twin pack and the double cheeseburger. He got the cheeseburger macaroni and the stroganoff. And so my kids do love hamburger helper. Josiah is kind of picky. We have to still, you know, make Josiah eat certain things or a lot of things. And JJ said that's one of his favorite things to eat. We had this a lot. JJ was probably like Saya picky then, when we were like really low on our grocery budget back in the day. And so we would get like a big thing of hamburger, divide it, and then we would get hamburger helper. We'll get a can of vegetables, and that was a meal. We had like sliced bread with it, and that was a meal, or it rolls or whatever. So sorry guys, my battery went dead. So when I say back in the day, I would say probably 10, maybe 12 years ago. I would say, no, way before that. I would say 13 years ago. 13 years ago. I don't want, maybe 14 years ago, y'all. So it's been a minute. It's been a minute. And we had that a lot. We had Hot Pockets a lot. We had those Tortino pizzas a lot. It was before, you know, I knew how to do some things now. So anyway, okay, and stretch a dollar. So he also got some of these smoked ham. He got a small thing, but this is enough. This is enough because they go in and out of their phases of daily meat and stuff like that. He got 2% reduced fat milk. And something else I was going to say, but I don't remember now, y'all. Oh, my battery went dead and I totally forgot my thought. He got 3 things of the wheat sandwich bread, but I normally get the, I think it's the honey wheat that's back here. I don't know. It's in this, they're about, it's probably some in the freezer. Yeah, I usually get the honey wheat, but the wheat bread is fine. I like the 100% whole wheat, but Josiah acts a little iffy about it, but I should have stood my ground and made him eat it, y'all. So then he'll love the 100% whole wheat, like, you know, like the boys do. They're just used to it. Okay, he also got this flavor mix chips, and yeah. So the only thing I don't have for Sire's lunches is a juice box, which I figured he wouldn't remember to get or think to get. So he got some eggs, so I can use that for WW, but I already have some eggs anyway. And then some strawberry. This is the clear, and it is like a soda, carbonated, you know, clear soda. So one time he was using this as a substitute to get more water, not substitute, but to help him get more water, but it left his mouth dry and stuff like that, so he had to take a break. I like the peach of this, so I don't know if I ever haul that or share that with you guys, but yeah. Is that everything? So that is everything. I have to get that fryer off my counter. So I just cleaned out the refrigerator. I have to get a new light up there. I got one from Walmart, but it didn't work, so I guess I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot or Amazon because it was the wrong light. But anyway, so I have spring mix, so I like to get this right here, and this one is from Walmart. Aldi does carry this too, and I can have that. I have lettuce. No, not lettuce, y'all. I have tomatoes, and I have onions. I have some cheese down here, and that will last me a lot. Only if like the family decides to eat what I'm eating, then it'll go really fast. I have salad dressing already. I have my almond milk. I may need some more. Josiah has been loving the almond milk with his little strawberry, because he has strawberry milk at school, the strawberry syrup. So he's been loving that. You guys probably noticed I don't hardly buy any chocolate milk anymore. I have my vanilla caramel creamer from Walmart. And then I have some hash browns I cooked up the other day, which I'm going to make like this, not omelet, y'all. What is it called? Souffle? I can't think of the name, but I'll caption it when I think of it. And then also, I need to get like some celery, because that's kind of wimpy now. And some carrots. But also for breakfast, I can make an English muffin. So I do have ham and cheese. I can do that. That's low in WW points. And I can't think of the name of it, what it's called. I can also, for a snack, I can have salsa, and we have lots of chips. So those are not a lot of WW points, I don't believe. Pickles are 0 WW points for a snack. For lunch, I can have a salad, or I can have Progresso soup. Jason did take, I think, 2 of these to work, maybe 3. But I picked up 2. I think I picked up 2. He might have took 3 to work. Because I had chicken with wild rice. I don't know how many points this is. I will scan it with my phone and make sure I caption it. But I can have this for lunch, beef pot roast or chicken sausage gumbo. You can also make your own. I just haven't had time because I've been working on some stuff. I can make my own soup. In my freezer, I meant to make this pie before Trey went back to school. So if you're new, I have a college student, so he just went back to school. If for lunch or for dinner, I can have some shrimp, and that's for myself. I do need some more chicken, and I can make a stir fry out of the shrimp. So anyway, yeah, I'll just write out. Oh, and I have these crab cakes. I don't remember how many points these are, but I have these 5 crab cakes. And yeah. So, if anything, I need chicken for myself and some almond milk, and I have fish in the big freezer. So, yeah. So, I need to kind of plan out my meals, what I'm going to eat for the week. But, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. And let me know, do you guys grocery shop together, or do you just grocery shop yourself? Jason and I used to do everything together, but now I love my peace. Even though he's so peaceful, he don't hardly talk. I'm the one talking. But I just love to, he's not really a shopper. He don't really like to shop. So I just do everything, and I'm so used to doing it. I like to do it, get what I want. Don't have to worry about him side-eye and worrying about the total and stuff like that. So guys, so I enjoy it now. I did used to love to do everything together, but that was years ago. So just let me know, what y'all do? Do y'all shop together? Do your husband shop, do all the shopping? Do you do all the shopping? Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.